Hi guys, this is Queen Girl and welcome to my channel. I know I've been absent for a while. I started this full-time job that kind of sucks all my time. I do love it. So it's a bit hard for me to give you updates on a regular basis. However, I'm going to do my best to deliver that. Okay, today's topic is going to be about crypto challenges and trends for 2018. And I decided to do this topic because I had a look on the crypto sentiment at the moment. So on Telegram groups that I'm in, YouTube comments and videos of, I don't know, Twitter, so all kinds of environments that kind of reflect how the crypto community's sentiment is at the moment. And it's not particularly great. Even though the projects are really cool and the teams are delivering or trying to deliver, people are not happy and satisfied. And if we have a look just here, look how bearish everything is. However, this is a good opportunity for people to buy in the dip, so do some shopping. Okay, so back to the topic. We've seen that in 2017, loads of ICOs popping more and more and more, which is a good thing. And the majority have rose quite a big substantial amount of money. And they peaked in the last quarter of 2017. Then things kind of shifted. Okay, so one challenge I would say and trend is the exchanges. After you finish an ICO, the normal thing and the procedure is to get your coin or token listed on a crypto exchange. And this is not all easy, fine and dandy. Some of them charge a ridiculous amount of money and they can delist you with a snap of a finger if they decide to. Also, another killjoy with exchanges is the legal procedures that basically require loads of funds and time. Let's move on to now my number two, will be regulations. So I agree to stabilize the coin and have some regulations on it. However, we've seen that in 2017, China tried to ban the ICOs, Russia banning crypto exchanges, the US strengthening the IRS capacity and regulation over the crypto market. And all of these do affect the price of a coin or a token. And the regulation part is quite an interesting topic because I guess we all would like to have a better regulated environment, but in the same time not too much interference from the state, from some states or governments. And so it's a tricky situation with regulations. I'm going to drop in my video description an article regarding the G20 summit and how, well, each state or parts of the world see the regulation issue. My number three is volatility. It's a big debate on this one, isn't it? We will all like to buy at a dip, that's happening right now, and sell at an all-time high. So this volatility situation has made many people very poor and many people very rich. In a real life situation, like in a fiat environment, we will buy a cup of coffee, let's say for £2, and by the time I finish that cup of coffee, it will still be £2. In the crypto market, this is probably not possible. We'll buy it by the time I finish, I don't know, the price can go 5 times up or 5 times lower. So yeah, there's lots of debates around volatility. I believe there is the need of some sort of stabilization to make it feasible, but not with too much government interference. And it sounds almost impossible, right? I know. It's quite tricky for everyone in the crypto market with how you stabilize coins and tokens. And there are lots of news that affect volatility, like hacks. I don't know, people that create big sell wall, and also pump and dump situation. And I guess the new crypto investors are getting scared, so they are selling, and that's contributing to decreasing the price. I guess you should believe in the project you started to believe in the first place and support it. And as you see here right now, everything is quite bearish again. Many are scared. Why is the price of a coin or the token I invested in below the ICO price? Well, there are loads of factors that contribute to that. But overall, you have to maintain your position and not moan about everything. You have to support the team. I just don't really like when I read about when Moon, when Lambos. If you're here for Lamborghinis, that I don't know, you're probably wrong. You're here for the wrong reasons. I think this situation of buying or having a Lamborghini with the money you made in crypto, it's not going to save the planet. It's not going to save you from pollution. It's not going to contribute to basically anything. You're just going to contribute to more capitalism for absolutely no reason. I know everyone has their own dreams and expectations, but just I beg you to think long term, be supportive, and understand that the technology behind it, understand that the cryptocurrencies are a tool of the blockchain technology that is driving us to a shared flat economy with less control and more data ownership. So let's be wary of that and understand that really well. My number 4 on my crypto challenges / trends for 2018 is scalability. And scalability is raising concerns as the block sizes are increasing and as the transaction speed is performing, how the transaction speed is performing. And developers are working really hard to maintain and improve the networks. But I guess this is an ongoing process that might take a while. I know it's a trend and it will continue to be a trend in 2018. In the end, we're still probably seeing better approaches than in the traditional situation. So you have to be patient because Rome wasn't built in a day. My number 5 is corporations. The interference of corporations, obviously. So after Google banned the crypto ads, now Twitter followed its path, and then we saw a drop in price. I think this trend will continue in 2018, and more will try just to ban some sort of connection with cryptocurrencies, bringing the overall sentiment down. It's interesting that they do want to use the blockchain technology, but not the mass adoption of the cryptocurrencies, which is it's a bit interesting. I think you should maintain your position, believe in the project. As I said, volatility is very much affected by all sorts of news and decisions. I think more and more replacements will come, and they've already started to pop up. And I guess, again, they're scared of this. Anyway, I saw this video from 10x, and I saw Julian Hope, I think that's his name, one of the co-founders from 10x, and he was doing this video update about the cards. So I myself own Pay, which is their currency, and I've ordered a card in January, I think, this year. However, it still hasn't been delivered. But I didn't panic because there must be a reason. So I checked the update that Julian provided, and he was very honest about. I mean, that's the sentiment I got from him. That's the impression. He was very honest. He showed the packs of the cards that he's trying to send, but basically they're having issues with partners and some legal requirements. Though the team that is trying to deliver, they have obstacles and obstacles and obstacles. And this project, guys, is basically trying to make cryptocurrency spendable. So you can go into your supermarket and pay with your 10x card that converts crypto into fiat on the spot. So that's a big breakthrough, to be honest. Like he said in the video, there are loads of projects that can get you cryptocurrency transacted, but actually make it spendable. That's the real tricky thing. And I do believe in this project. And 10x, I don't work for 10x. 10x hasn't paid me to do this video. I'm just saying that after watching the comments on that video, just made me sad, and that's why I decided to do my video today. Because people didn't seem to understand what that guy was talking about. They were like, oh, you promised this and you promised that and you didn't deliver. Well, many times in the world, people haven't delivered. Look at our politics. Look at the politicians. Do they ever deliver? Never. But that's not a good example to follow, obviously. I do believe that loads of startups and loads of crypto-related businesses are trying to do their best. And they are delivering on time. However, there's loads of other parameters that interfere with their delivery time. And people should be wary of this. Don't have a bad sentiment. Don't be holding a grudge. Those people are trying to do something really cool, and just go along with them, okay? Have some patience, be supportive, and show all these big corporations and governments that we are here and we believe in this project and we believe in a decentralized economy. Because if we get affected as investors, then they have no chance to succeed. And if they have no chance to succeed, we have no chance to succeed, do we? Anyway, I hope this video didn't freak you out. It's just my opinion. I felt the need to say this, to verbalize my thoughts out loud. Okay, it's Easter today, and happy Easter to everyone who's watching. And I'll see you soon with another crypto video. Bye.